Hi and welcome to the Nightingale Institute of Nursing, situated right in the heart of Bangalore city. Here in Nightingale Institute of Nursing, we have a rainbow of cultures and traditions, as we have students from different parts of India as well as neighbouring countries. Now, I invite you all to a journey to the Nightingale Institute of Nursing. Nightingale Institute of Nursing beckons an academic environment that imparts quality education. Let's start our journey by having a glance at the reception first.
This is Rudresh Kumar, Managing Director, Nightingale Institute of Nursing. Secretary Mr. Jyoti Ganesh will speak about the key factors of our Nightingale College.
Hi, this is Jyoti Ganesh, Secretary, Nightingale Institute of Nursing, Bangalore. Nightingale Institute of Nursing was started in the year 2003 under the chairmanship of my father, Shri G.S. Baswaraj, who is also the ex-member of Parliament from Tumkur. This Institute of Nursing was started with a vision to create centers of excellence in nursing and other medical related areas. Nightingale Institute of Nursing has got both BSc nursing program and general nursing program. Our campus is located in a very eco-friendly, environmental friendly, 8 acres sprawling lush green campus. The campus is located just half kilometer from Bangalore city railway station and bus stand. Nightingale Institute runs in our own building which has got very good infrastructure in terms of very good well ventilated classrooms, library, computer center, laboratories, etc. Our computer lab is very well equipped and it has got internet connection so that students have got access to HeliNet facility which is provided by Rajiv Gandhi University. Also, our library is headed by well qualified librarians who also help the students in getting access to the very good books and journals. The classrooms are well ventilated and the labs are spacious and equipped with the latest lab articles and other equipments. Our institute has got a very good team of faculty headed by a qualified principal. This team of very good lecturers and principal guide the students not only in the theory aspects but also guide them in the practical aspects when it comes to the clinical training and also in community service, etc. Apart from the regular academics, we also train the students in having a good exposure to British and American accents. This helps the students to get themselves ready for the IELTS and CGFNS examinations, which is very much helpful for the students to get placed in foreign universities and foreign hospitals. We have an in-house hostel for both boys and girls, which is very secure and highly furnished and provided with all the facilities. Especially the girls' hostel is very much secured and located in the same campus and it has got facility like steam cooking, hot water and all the other facilities which help the students to study peacefully. Finally, on behalf of the management, I would like to conclude and tell that at Nightingale Institute of Nursing, we are committed in producing quality nursing students and also in pursuing the point that we reach the point of excellence in whatever we do, and we also see that we create benchmark for others. Thank you.
I am Jaya Kadambari, Principal, Nightingale Institute of Nursing. We have a very good team of faculty members, both BSc and MSc nurses with all speciality to meet the various domains of the course curriculum. The students of Nightingale Institute of Nursing hails from all parts of our country and across the country too. They stand in higher rank in academic achievements as well as in extracurricular activities. The active involvement of our students in the sports events held by the university has brought name, fame and grade to our institution by winning silver medals. Our institution has tie-up with 150-bedded multi-speciality Republic Hospital and 150-bedded Shanbag Hospital, and also with ESI Hospital at Indranagar. And we have our psychiatric posting in Spandana at Bangalore and in Saumansha at Trichy. Our students undergo their midwifery training in nearby maternity centers run by the Bangalore Mahanagara Polyclinic. The public health training is given in Mahalakshmipura layout and also in Sumanahalli leprosy project. Our future plan is to start MSc nursing program in the forthcoming year. And our environment is very safe and secure, and we provide a conducive environment for all the students so that they can stay here and study peacefully.
Now, let's have a look at the class taken by the Vice Principal Ma'am using modern method and technology. Here is our principal, vice principal and a group of expert faculty members.
I am Satyapriya, Vice Principal of Nightingale College of Nursing.
I am Sharon Jose, Assistant Lecturer working in Community Health Nursing Department.
I am Malar Kodi, Assistant Lecturer working in Medical Surgical Department.
I am Janagarada, Assistant Lecturer, Midwifery Department.
I am Kala, Lecturer, HOD of Pediatric Department.
I am Sheba and I am teaching Fundamentals of Nursing.
I am Risa, Assistant Lecturer working in Psychiatry Department.
As they say, health is wealth and food is a basic component of health. In Nightingale Institute of Nursing, we are provided with a well-equipped and well-furnished nutrition lab which helps to enhance our basic knowledge regarding the preparation of special foodstuffs for special disease conditions like hypertension, diabetes, pregnancy, anemia, typhoid, etc. Now, let's have a look on what the students are preparing. We, the students of Nightingale, believe books are our best friends. At Nightingale College, we are provided with a well-furnished library. Also, we have a rich supply of different books, periodicals, foreign journals, etc. Our computer lab has adequate number of computers and internet facilities. Also, we have very good teaching professionals who are always there for the students' help. Children never feel nostalgic in our hostel as we are provided with a very homely environment and also a well-experienced warden.
Hi, I'm Princess Christina Michael, doing my third year BSc Nursing in the Nightingale Institute of Nursing. At Nightingale, we believe in building wholesome individuals rather than just nurses with a BSc degree. Our well-furnished classrooms, our well-equipped modern laboratories, and our AVH room provide us excellent ambience to gain our theoretical knowledge. And for our practical knowledge, we go to multi-speciality hospitals which are all around Bangalore. And last but not the least, our very dedicated staff and friendly and very understanding principal ma'am give us a feeling of ease, and they're always there whenever we need them.